rebalancing my portfolio. I went to one of my brokerage sites, went through it. I went to another one. Everything looked okay. I'm not going to change it. So I went to another site and I found a couple of losers in the red. I did not like in the red. So as I said before, I'm going to sell those losers and get a winner. Well, I do this every quarter, really not in between, just in the quarter, which is right now. So what I do during the quarter, I don't do anything, but I do spot stocks or mutual funds or ETFs that I like, and I'm going to watch. I'm not going to do anything about it because I don't do anything about it until the quarter. So I collect these. I've got about 40 of these things that I watch. Well, you might say, quartytypo. How can you analyze 40 different investments? Come on, you can't do that. Well, I tell you, this is what I do. I got about 40 right now. I don't care. I get 100. I just watch. I don't own them. I watch them. And what I do at the quarter now, so I told you I got a couple of losers I want to get rid of. I want to find some winners. So what I do is I take these 40 and I scroll through them. It takes me about a minute to scroll through the entire list. You know, with the scroll button, moving your finger with the scroll button. And I just look for plus signs. If I see a negative or nearly neutral, I don't bother. I'm looking for plus signs. Oh, I was going through today. Here's some plus signs in a market that's really going nowhere. It's just going sideways. Here's some nice plus signs. So I just jot those down. And this not a lot, because in this market you're not gonna find a lot of plus signs. So I jot them down. Then I go back and I take a look. Well, what percentage? And then I look for the highest percentage. It says, let's look at that. So I open those up and I take a look at it. Well, as I said, I had a couple of losers I want to get rid of. And what did I find? I find some nice, juicy winners. In this lousy market, there are still winners. I mean, like a winner, well, like the Dow is like this. Well, let me put my arm here. The Dow is like, it's flat. It's flat, little down. It's flat. But this one, a couple I found, zoom up like going up Mount Everest. They're my babies. I'm getting rid of my losers, my couple of losers, and I'm getting into those mountain climbers. So that's what I did today. Sold some losers, immediately transferred the money. It's in the IRA. I like IRA trading because long-term, short-term investment don't mean anything in IRA. So now I'm with the winners, and I did one yesterday, and it went up in one day after I got it. That made me feel good because the loser I had was going nowhere.